guys, welcome back to Helly's Kitchen. Today we are making ice cream. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe so you will be the first to be notified whenever I post new videos. Let's jump right into it. For the ingredients, we need condensed milk, we need heavy whipping cream, we need vanilla extract, we need chocolate chips, which is optional. If you want a plain ice cream, you don't need the the chocolate chips. I'm adding it because my kids love it. Pour the heavy whipping cream into a clean bowl. Then I'm going to go ahead and use a hand mixer to mix it. Hi guys, thank you very much for always supporting my channel. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button so you will be notified anytime I post new videos. Thank you. Whip the heavy whipping cream until it becomes creamy like you see here. When I'm done whipping the cream, I'm going to cut part of it and keep because we will be making part vanilla and part chocolate ice cream. So for the first part, what we will be making is vanilla ice cream. So we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of condensed milk, and we are going to mix again. At this stage, if you don't want to add chocolate chips to it, you can go ahead and put it in a freezer container and then freeze it. But if you're gonna be adding chocolate chips to it, go ahead and add the chocolate chips now and use a spatula to mix. Do not use the mixer anymore, just mix with a spatula. Just like that. Oh, see how creamy that is. Yummy. So after all that, I'm just gonna put it in the freezer container and then make sure you level it well and make sure there's no air or open area in the middle of it. Make it one level. I like to add some plastic wrap to it to keep it airtight. cover it and then freeze. For the chocolate part, all I did, I'm sorry, I did it off camera, and I added a cup of chocolate powder to the cream I left before, and I mix. I'm going to add some chocolate chips too. I know that's a lot of chocolate in one thing, but guess what? I like it that way, so I'm just gonna add it and then mix. Cut and fold until the chocolate is mixed well, or until you have it in every part of the ice cream. I am also going to be making a new video on chocolate ice cream, but basically what I did with the cream I left from before is I just added a cup of condensed milk or so, and I added 1 cup of chocolate powder and I mixed. That is it. You know what the best thing about making ice cream is? You can start eating it from this stage. Oh, it's so yummy, soft and fluffy in your mouth when you do. When you freeze your ice cream, make sure it stays in the freezer for about 8 to 12 hours. That way you get the best result. But if you're impatient, you can take it out before that, but it's not going to be that hard enough like you will want it to be. It's been 8 hours, guys, and we are going to try our ice cream. This is the vanilla ice cream. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Let's see the chocolate ice cream. There you go. There you go. This was so sweet, guys. And make sure you tell me how I did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.